Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your headlight bulb on your Gy6 50cc scooter. And tools we'll need, guys, is a Phillips screwdriver. Also we'll need our replacement bulb guys. And let me see if I can get you all the part number there. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get that done. So what we'll need to do, guys, is remove these two screws right here, and also at the front of the scooter, guys, under the housing for the headlamp, you also have a screw that holds the headlamp in, guys. I don't have mine, so just make note of that. So now, guys, we can just go ahead and pull the front here off. So here we go, guys, and here's our bulb. As you can see, it's damaged. So to remove that, guys, we'll just push it in a bit, turn it clockwise and pull it out. So on your bulb, guys, you'll notice you have two tabs. Let me try to bring that in. You got one broader and one broad one slim one, guys. And you'll notice that cutout in your bulb housing. So you just want to push that in, guys, and turn it anti-clockwise to the left. So now we can go ahead and install our housing for the headlight, guys. We just want to give that a slight turn to get it locked in. So now we can just reconnect everything, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you. God bless.